Hello students, today we are going to do word problem of subtraction. Students, here are the keywords to solve subtraction word problem. Minus, how many are left, how many more, take away, decrease or increase, remove or use, remains, less, difference, deduct, other number, how much more, how many are not. Students, all these words appeared in any of the word problem. That means it is subtraction word problem. So it is easy to identify you using these words that it is a subtraction word problem. Remember, while solving a word problem, read the word problem twice. Think about the information given, the answer to be find out, the method to be used. After solving them, write the final answer in statement. Let us solve some example. There are 1473 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books in a school library. Which language has more books than the other? And how many more are there? So students, your information given is 1473 Marathi books and 586 Hindi books. Now we have to find out which books are more. And your keyword is how many more. So we can come to know that it is a subtraction word problem. So first we will draw three columns. In first column we will write what information is given, which language has more books, what is asked, what method should be used. Now in second column we will write answer for this question. So the information given is Marathi books 1473 and Hindi books 586. Now here question is asked which language has more books. So can you find out which language has more books? Yes, Marathi. Now next is what is asked. What is asked in this word problem? How many more books in which language? And the last is what method should be used. So here we are using subtraction. Now we will do the method in third column. So 1473 minus 586, we will get the answer 887. So now we will write a final answer in statement. There are 887 more Marathi books than Hindi books. Now let us solve another example. Next example. The sum of two numbers is 31,426. One of the number is 17,540 48. What is the other number? So students, here we have to find out other number. So we will draw first three columns. First column we will write what information is given, what is asked, and what method should be used. In next column we will write answer for this question. Information given is the sum of two numbers is 31,426 and one of the number is 17,548. What is asked here? To find out the other number, and method used is subtraction. Now we will do subtraction of these two numbers in third column. So 31,426 minus 17,548. We will get the answer for this number is 13,878. So we will write this answer in statement. The other number is 13,878. One more example we will solve. Abdul had 720 beads. He sold 648 of them. How many beads does he have left? So we will draw three columns. What information is given, what is asked, and what method should be used, we will write in first column. Next column we will write all the answer for these questions. Abdul had 720 beads and he sold 648 of them. Now what is asked? How many beads he have left? For that we will use the method subtraction, because here keyword is given left. Now we will minus 720 minus 648. We will get the answer 72. This answer we will write in statement. He have left 72 beads. Next sum we will solve. The reading of the electric meter in Nisha's house was 3452 on the 1st of June. On the 1st of July, it was 3531. How many units of electricity were used in June? So for that we will draw the columns first. In the first column we will write what information is given, what is asked, what method should be used. Now in this question the information given is the reading of electricity. So we will write the reading of electricity meter on 1st of June was 3452 and on 1st of July it was 3531. So what is asked here? Unit of electricity used in June. So we got the keyword here used. So what method should be used? Subtraction. subtraction. So we will solve the sum in third column. 3531 minus 3452. We will get the answer 79. So the final answer we will write in statement 79 units of electricity were used in June. Next example. In a census taken in 2001, the population of a village was 62,947. The census of the year 2011 listed the population as 74,405. How much did the population increase in the meantime? So here census means counting the population of the village. So in 2001 the population was 62,947 and after 10 years in 2011 the population was 74,405. So here we have to find out how much population is increase. So increase is our keyword. So we will do subtraction. First we will draw the columns. Then we will write what information is given, what is asked, and what method should be used. In next column, we will write answer for it. Census taken in 2001, the population of a village was 62,947 and in 2011 it was 74,405. The population increased in the meantime. We have to find out, and the method we will use is subtraction. Now we will solve the sum in next column. 74,405 minus 62,947. We will get the answer for it, that is 11,458. This answer we will write in statement. The population increase in the meantime was 11,458. So we have solved here many sums of subtraction word problem. Students, now you must have understood to solve the subtraction word problem. Thank you.